question number 6. Company A let sold X shares, and company A is providing NV is equal to 100, MV is rupees 80, and dividend percent is 10%. Sorry, is equal to 10%. Right. So income on one share, on one share is equal to 1 into 10 into 100 upon 100. It is cancelled out. It becomes rupees 10. So income on X shares is equal to 10x. Getting? Now X share sold at MV rupees 80. So sale proceed is equal to 80x, right? And company B NV is 100, MV is 60, and dividend percent is 20%, right? So number of shares is equal to 80x sale proceed upon, this is sale proceed, upon MV 60. It becomes 4 by 3. So 4x upon 3. Now income of one share is equal to 1 into 20 into 100 upon 100. So it becomes rupees 20, right? So income on of one share is this. So income of 4x upon 3 shares is equal to 4x upon 3 into 20. It becomes 80x upon 3, right? This is income of one share of income of X shares in case 1, in company 1, and this is income of, for whatever amount of share you purchase, their income is this. And as given increase in income is rupees 18,000. So it means 80x upon 3 minus 80x upon 3 minus 10x is equal to 18,000. So what you have done, you have taken 3 as an LCM and you get 80x minus 30x is equal to 18,000. So now you get 50x is equal to 54,000. Right? This is cancel out. When you divide this, it becomes 1080 shares. Right? So it means share sold is equal to X is equal to 1060.
80.
Oh, sorry, 1060 1080. ठीक है? Oh my God. You done this? I hope you understand also. और कौन सा नहीं आया तुम्हें? Which you would like to ask?